Hi Poly community, my name is Yulia Zika and I am from Moscow State University, Russia. Sustainable development of Arctic regions is of high importance due to global change processes. Himalaya Mountains is an area of the Russian Arctic with heavily industrialized territories and provides a significant proportion of areas used for human settlements, economic purposes, and recreation. The overall purpose of the study was to develop concepts and methods for enhanced natural hazard risk management in Arctic mountain regions. The concept of risk supplemented the traditional engineering approaches of technical mitigation to manage the threats and to develop strategies for sustainable development of these areas. The concept of risk is based on a mathematical combination of hazards and consequences, but is static over time. Three major dynamic systems interact in the field of mountain hazard risk management: the physical environment, the social and demographic characteristics, and the values at risk such as components of the built environment. The Arctic regions show a greater susceptibility to disturbances than many other landscapes. Thank you very much.